Very good morning, children. I once again welcome all of you to this video session of 11th Standard Economics, chapter titled Introduction to Microeconomics. So, in our previous module, we have explained about the economy as well as what are the problems that arises in our economy. Here we are going to discuss about the distinguish between the macro and the microeconomics. What are the differences between the macro as well as the microeconomics? So for that, let me again define economics. What is economics means? Economics is a social science which studies the way a society chooses to use its limited resources, which have alternative ways to produce goods and services and to distribute them among different groups of the people. So, the economics means it's a social science and it deals with the what production, distribution as well as the exchange of the goods and services among the people, as well as how it satisfies the human wants, how we can satisfy the maximum wants of the people. So that is economics. Next, let me distinguish between micro and macroeconomics. Here in this you can see the picture microeconomics and macroeconomics. In microeconomics you can see a tree, but in macroeconomics you can see several trees. So many trees are here, that means it's a forest, whereas micro means it's a tree. So is it clear? That is, micro means that we view from the what small view, right? Here it is macro means that is it deals with the large part of the economy. Micro takes into account only the small part of the economy, whereas macroeconomics it takes into account the aggregates. The word aggregates means large, as a whole, the economy as a whole. But micro means it's a part of an economy, the small part of an economy it takes into consideration, whereas macro means it takes into account the what aggregate, that is the whole economy. So that is, here we can see one tree as well as the other one is forest. And next one we can see what is the meaning of the microeconomics and what is the meaning of the macroeconomics. Meaning means microeconomics deals with the behavior of the individual economic units, whereas macroeconomics is the study of the economy as a whole. So microeconomics means what it means? It means the individual units of an economy, individual economic units, whereas macroeconomics means it is the study of the economy as a whole. And what about which are the tools of the microeconomics? In microeconomics, what are the tools? That is, here it is demand and supply. That is, they take into account the individual demand and individual supply. Individual means that is the demand of a particular person, the supply of a particular person. Whereas macroeconomics means it takes into account the aggregate demand and the aggregate supply. Aggregate means total. Total demand and total supply of the economy as a whole. Next one, what are the objective of the microeconomics? That is to determine the price of a commodity or the factors of the production. In macroeconomics, to determine the income and the employment level of the economy. So here we can see that is the microeconomics, they take into account the price of the commodity of the for factors of production, whereas in macroeconomics price is not the determinant there, income and the employment level is the main determinant of the macroeconomics. And this microeconomics is also known as price theory, whereas macroeconomics is known as the income and the employment theory. What is this? Microeconomics is known as the price theory because the price is the main determinant of the microeconomics.